Welcome to this tutorial on centering your title in WordPress. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to adjust your site header to create a more balanced and visually appealing layout. We will walk through the entire process from logging in to repositioning your site title, ensuring that you have all the details you need to complete the task efficiently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WordPress homepage. This is the starting point for any modifications you intend to make. Once you are on the WordPress website, take a careful look at the top right corner of the page where you will find a login option. Clicking this login link is essential as it directs you to the secure entry point for your WordPress account. After selecting the login option, you will be presented with various methods to authenticate and access your dashboard. In this case, choose the option that reads Continue with Google. This method is a straightforward way to log in quickly using your Google account credentials. Once you click on Continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to select the specific Google account you wish to use. Make your choice accordingly and the system will verify your credentials, ensuring that you are logged in without any unnecessary delay. Once you have successfully logged into your WordPress account, direct your attention to the Quick Links section within your dashboard. This area is designed to provide rapid access to frequently used features. Within this section, look for the option labeled Edit Site. By clicking Edit Site, you will enter the built-in site editor, where you can manage and modify various elements of your website's layout and design. Inside the editor, your first task is to locate the header area of your website. In the header, you will find a plus icon that enables you to add components. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. Doing so will display a range of elements you can insert into the layout. Among the available elements, you will need to type in the word spacer. As you enter this term, WordPress will quickly filter through the options and display the spacer component. Once the spacer element is visible, select it and add it twice. Inserting two spacers creates the necessary framework to help visually center your site title. These spacer elements essentially act as flexible buffers that push the title to the center of the header by filling the space on both sides. After you have added the two spacers, the final step is to adjust the position of your site title. Locate your current site title within the header editing area, click on the title element to select it and then proceed to drag it so that it is positioned exactly between the two spacer elements you have placed earlier. The title should now be properly centered, contributing to a more harmonious and professional appearance of your website's header. This tutorial has guided you through the process of centering your title on WordPress. By following these steps, you have not only learned how to navigate the WordPress login process and site editor, but also how to manipulate header elements to enhance your site's overall design. Enjoy the newly centered title and the improved look of your website as a result of these adjustments.